Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at a trend reversal breakout setup we had early this morning in crude. You can see that the low last night in crude was 49.31, and then you came up here and you put in a pivot. It's not a higher pivot high. Your previous pivot high is back here, but you put in a pivot, came down in here, you put in a higher pivot low. At the same time, you triggered this bear flag that became a failed bear flag. So that right there was your second heads up. You have a higher low in place, you have a failed bear flag, and we know that failed bearish can turn bullish. And then this bar broke out to a new high above this previous pivot high here at 50.23. So we had a trend reversal breakout on a 30-minute chart. Again, we put in a pivot. It's not a higher pivot high. Your previous pivot high is back here, but it is a pivot. Then we put in a higher pivot low, and then on this bar we broke to a higher pivot high, and you can see that crude proceeded to climb over 130 ticks off of that trend reversal breakout. So while we pay close attention to what's going on the Unirenko chart, because that's our primary trading chart, we also are paying close attention to what's happening on the 30-minute chart. This is a very strong bullish trend reversal breakout.